Introducing the Sakgo SK-1151-S round neck binding machine. Built to deliver streamlined, professional quality necklines with zero hassle. Engineered specifically for the elastic fabric standard in t-shirt production, this machine cuts through the industry's most common pain points in one fell swoop. Auto-sewing positioning plus bone seam detection eliminates the frustration of fumbling with manual alignment. An electric eye sensor ensures pinpoint precise fabric guiding. And anti-tilt technology puts an end to lopsided, distorted collars mid-sew. It also gives you unrivaled control. A dedicated stepping motor lets you adjust feed rates precisely to match your unique workflow, while its tunable tension system eradicates fabric wrinkles for flawlessly polished finishes. Plus, with a 4,500 RPM max speed and consistent 0.5 to 6 mm stitch lengths, it effortlessly keeps pace with high-volume production runs. No compromises on speed or quality. Upgrade your production with Sakgo automation.